Welcome back, new brand video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix iPhone app not working after update iOS 17. Let's start video without wasting time. First of all, open your setting and from here click on Apple ID banner name, and from here scroll down and click on media and purchase and click on view account. What you need to do is select your correct country or region after update iOS 17, and from here click on country region and click on change country region, and from here select your country. I'm selecting United States. Scroll down and from here terms and conditions, read carefully, then click on agree, and from here you as can see payment method credit card, debit card, PayPal. Non, select your payment method and fill this form: state, city, state, zip code and phone number. Select your state name, enter your California zip codes, enter your phone number, and click on next. After change your country or region, check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go back your home screen and open your setting and make sure that connect strong Wi-Fi connection. Turn off Wi-Fi toggle at least the third second you have turned it on, and after that go back. If you use mobile data, then turn on aeroplane mode at least the third second you have turned it off, and after that scroll down and click on journal, and from here scroll down and click on date and time and make sure that turn on board toggle. If the toggle turn off, what you need to do is turn on board toggle and select correct date and time, and after that check whether the problem had been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go back and scroll down and click on VPN and device management. If you have any connect VPN, what you need to do is disconnect, and after that go back, scroll down and click on transfer reset iPhone and click on reset and click on reset network setting. Enter your passcode and click on reset network setting. After reset network setting, go back, and what you need to do is click on shutdown and slide to power off, and after a few minutes you have again turn it on, and after that I hope your problem will be fixed. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. If you have any problem, share with me in the comments box. I will help you more. Thanks for watching.